To activate dry mode on your SereneLife unit, locate the mode button on the control panel. Press it repeatedly to cycle through the available modes until you reach the dry or dehumidifier setting. Proper drainage is essential for dry mode operation. You can either use the internal tank or connect a drainage hose for continuous operation. The internal tank must be properly positioned and regularly emptied to prevent automatic shutdown. SereneLife units in dry mode can remove between 1.1 to 1.8 liters of moisture per hour. The internal components work by passing air slowly over cold evaporator coils, where moisture condenses and is collected. Choosing the correct BTU rating for your room size is crucial for energy efficiency. Too small a unit will struggle to dehumidify effectively, while an oversized unit may cool too quickly without properly removing humidity. Regular maintenance ensures optimal performance. Empty the drainage tank frequently, clean air filters monthly, and keep vents unobstructed. Modern SereneLife models emphasize energy efficiency with low power consumption, typically around 0.96 kilowatt hours per hour. Future SereneLife models are expected to feature improved air filtration systems, including HEPA filters, eco-friendly refrigerants for reduced environmental impact, and enhanced smart home integration with Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control and automation.